Hello, I'm James Butts, Mayor of the City of Inglewood. As I greet you today, it saddens me to share that we continue to see an increase in the number of positive COVID-19 cases across LA County and in the City of Inglewood. These cases represent unfortunate impacts and losses in our families and in our communities. I want you to know the City Council and I are committed to ensuring we do everything in our power to address the needs of our city and to create the safest environment possible for our Inglewood City employees, our residents, our businesses, and our community at large. In Inglewood, we are one family. As such, effective Monday, April 13th, 2020, City Hall will be closed for business for a period of 2 weeks and will reopen on Monday, April 27th by appointment only. During the closure, the city will make sure all essential services are provided. On March 17th, 2020, I declared a local emergency and approved executive orders to protect businesses from financial hardships due to the crisis. The City Council has ratified those orders. The executive orders remain in effect as long as the local state of emergency or the state-issued state of emergency remains in effect, whichever is longer. The executive orders include the following. They provide eviction protection for commercial tenants during the period of emergency and allows those tenants 6 months after the order is lifted to pay any arrears rent. It prevents local water utilities from shutoffs for non-payment due to COVID hardships during this emergency period, and it waives late fees and allows customers 6 months after the crisis to pay their arrearages. It waives city fees for trash collection from February 18, 2020 to March 17, 2020. The order voids street sweeping tickets issued between March 16th and March 30th, 2020, and refunds payments already made for tickets issued during those dates. It allows free use of city lots for residents on street sweeping days, Monday through Friday, from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. at 1, the City Hall parking lot, 2, the library parking lot, and 3, the city lot on Arborvitae Street and La Brea Avenue. It waives the city's service charge for responding to false alarms during this period of local emergency, and it rebates any payments to any business owner that has already paid those fees for false alarms since the emergency period was declared. Safer at Home order and social distancing. I am directing you to comply with the Safer at Home orders from the County of Los Angeles and to practice social distancing. Social distancing is now referred to as physical distancing, and it means keeping space between yourself and other people outside of your home. To practice physical distancing, you should stay at least 6 feet, 2 meters from other people. Do not gather in groups. Stay out of crowded places and avoid mass gatherings of more than 9 people. COVID-19 spreads mainly among people who are in close contact for a prolonged period of time. Recent studies indicate that people who are infected but do not show symptoms play a role in the spread of COVID-19. Those persons can also be highly contagious for up to 48 hours prior to displaying any symptoms, which brings additional concern. It may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it, and then touching their own mouth, nose, or eyes. However, this is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. COVID-19 can live for hours or days on a surface, depending on factors such as sunlight and humidity. Social distancing helps limit contact with infected people and contaminated surfaces. According to guidance from the LA County Public Health Department and the Centers for Disease Control, coronavirus cases and deaths continue to spike across Los Angeles County. Health officials on Monday urged residents to stay home this week, to limit the time spent outside, and to avoid shopping if you can to slow the spread of the virus. Further, all parks are ordered to be closed this Easter Sunday to avoid the potential of large gatherings. Please celebrate this Easter Sunday at home with your immediate family. Now let's talk about face masks. The LA County Department of Public Health, the California Department of Public Health, and CDC officials recommend that all Americans wear cloth face mask coverings amid the pandemic. In line with that direction, I've signed an executive order mandating the wearing of a face covering in the city of Inglewood when individuals are interacting with others who are not members of their immediate household, in public, or in private spaces. Face coverings are an additional tool that individuals should use to help slow the spread of COVID-19, but it does not replace the need to observe social distancing requirements. Reusable face covering options for the general public include bandanas, a neck gaiter, homemade face covering scarves, tightly woven fabric such as cotton t-shirts, and some types of towels. Testing. As of today, any resident who has symptoms and wants to be tested for the coronavirus can now apply online to be tested. The new regimen applies to anyone in Los Angeles County. The closest testing center to the city of Inglewood is the South Bay Galleria at 1815 Hawthorne Boulevard and the Crenshaw Christian Center, 7901 South Vermont Avenue. LA County plans to ramp up, drive-up testing sites, and new locations are planned within the next week. Inglewood Unified School District. The IUSD campus will remain physically closed for the remainder of the school year. To find the LAUSD grab-and-go location for students, go to the website that you see on the screen. For additional information, updates, and resources related to the COVID-19 crisis, please visit the City of Inglewood website. Also follow @ReadyInglewood on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We're going to all get through this together, and I thank you for your time.